Repeat after the audio. Hello, nice to see you again. Hello, nice to see you again. How are you today? How are you today? I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be here. Thank you very much for your help. Thank you very much for your help. Please, can you help me a little? Please, can you help me a little? Sorry, I came too late. Sorry, I came too late. Have a nice evening. Have a nice evening. It was nice to meet you again. It was nice to meet you again. I hope we'll see each other again soon. I hope we'll see each other again soon. I'll grab a cup of coffee first. I'll grab a cup of coffee first. I'm working from home today. I'm working from home today. I have to go shopping after work. I have to go shopping after work. It's raining all day, so I'm staying inside. It's raining all day, so I'm staying inside. I take the bus to the city every morning. I take the bus to the city every morning. We have dinner at 7 o'clock. We have dinner at 7 o'clock. I like to take a walk in the park after work. I like to take a walk in the park after work. I have to clean up a bit at home today. I have to clean up a bit at home today. The children are already asleep. The children are already asleep. I'm looking forward to the weekend. I'm looking forward to the weekend. How much does this jacket cost? How much does this jacket cost? I'll pay by card, thank you. I'll pay by card, thank you. The bus comes in 5 minutes. The bus comes in 5 minutes. The train is a bit delayed today. The train is a bit delayed today. I like to ride my bike to work. I like to ride my bike to work. It's cold outside. I have to put on a jacket. It's cold outside. I have to put on a jacket. It's snowing a lot today. It's snowing a lot today. I hope the weather will be better tomorrow. I hope the weather will be better tomorrow. I missed the bus, so I have to walk. I missed the bus, so I have to walk. I finally found a parking spot. I finally found a parking spot. I feel a bit tired today. I feel a bit tired today. I have to go to the doctor tomorrow. I have to go to the doctor tomorrow. I eat healthy to stay fit. I eat healthy to stay fit. I work out 3 times a week. I work out 3 times a week. I like reading books in the evening. I like reading books in the evening. I'm watching a new series on Netflix. I'm watching a new series on Netflix. I play guitar in my free time. I play guitar in my free time. I like traveling to new places. I like traveling to new places. I'm visiting my family this weekend. I'm visiting my family this weekend. I relax with a cup of tea. I relax with a cup of tea. Can you please speak a little slower? Can you please speak a little slower? I don't quite understand it. I don't quite understand it. What does this word mean? What does this word mean? I learn French every day. I learn French every day. The language is hard, but I'm trying my best. The language is hard, but I'm trying my best. I like listening to French music. I like listening to French music. I have to get up early tomorrow. I have to get up early tomorrow. I went to bed late last night. I went to bed late last night. I hope you have a nice day. I hope you have a nice day. It's okay, it was nothing. It's okay, it was nothing. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the video.